Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you exactly how to create a Quora business account in 2025. This particular account is perfect for brands, entrepreneurs and professionals who are sharing the expert content. So make sure that you stick around till the end so that you don't miss any of the pro tips on setting up your bio for maximum credibility. Now without further delay, let's get started. First of all, you need to open your web browser. Over here in the search bar, you need to simply search for Quora for Business. Once you are able to find this particular link from Quora, you need to simply just click on it. Then you will be landed on this page, which is Quora for Business. Over here, you can either connect with an expert if you want to get more about Quora for Business. You can also book a call with them. Or if you already know about it, you can simply click on the Get Started option in the top right hand corner and it will redirect you here on this page where you need to select your account name, then provide your contact email address. Once done, click on the next option in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Afterwards, you need to give your business name. Then you need to add your website's domain over here. Then select your industry and select your region. Once this step is done, simply click on the start advertising option here in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. So this will be your Quora ads account, and this is basically your business account on Quora. Over here you can create new campaigns, run ads, and you can just take a look at bunch of different details about those articles which you have published on Quora and that received the views. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can just let me know that in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.